students, very nice morning to all of you. Welcome to our e-learning class which is organized by Modern Group of Institution Navada Vihar. Students, today I am going to discuss the last part, that is the last video lecture of the chapter 1 unit 4 of the class 10. That is our student will discuss the sum. Will discuss myths about entrepreneurship. Another one is entrepreneurship as a career option. Okay, student. These two topics we'll discuss now. Okay, student. In this 5 points are here. The main important points I have written here, and in this case also so many points, and I have discussed only these points. Okay. Listen carefully, watch it, and if any doubt, then ask me. Okay. तो come to the student myths about entrepreneurship means क्या हम लोग काल्पनिक कर सकते हैं be a entrepreneur, what are the process, what are the paths. Okay student, for that the entrepreneur what they can do. Okay student means क्या हम लोग सोच सकते हैं एक अच्छा एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए क्या क्या हो सकता है. You think that one. Okay. First one is entrepreneurs are born, not made. Oh yes. Student means a people is borning. A people you cannot made. Yes or no? That means what they think they will do that one. That means they born means they have own capability. They have own idea to be a successful entrepreneur. They can think, they can apply, they can build, they can utilize, they can be boss, everything. Is that clear on the student? That is about the what? Entrepreneurs are born. Okay student, they cannot be made. That means the entrepreneur be a success. What paths they are going through, what they follow, that people can follow different ways. Yes or no? That means what they think, what they learn. Okay, that means that entrepreneurs only by the board, not can be made. Okay. Next student, entrepreneurs are academic and social misfits. That means student, the entrepreneurs are academic. What does it mean student? The entrepreneur be a successful entrepreneur, be a what? An academic. A people what they want to learn. Okay student, that means we can take the example. Ambani are two brothers, Mukesh Ambani or another one, that name is the student, sorry, Dhirubhai Ambani. There are two brothers. One is the Dhirubhai Ambani, another one is the Mukesh Ambani. Yes or no? Out of these two, who is the more idea? Obviously Mukesh Ambani. Yes or no? We cannot say what is his qualification. We cannot say also. Yes or no? They are not any particular. They have not any particular qualification. But Bill Gates is also a successful entrepreneur. But Bill Gates has the what? The knowledge. Yes or no, student? Like so many businessmen are there. So many banks are there. ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, all the banks, private bank, they have the also owner. They have the successful entrepreneur. Yes, understand? They have a particular qualification. That means I want to say student, for the entrepreneur must have the qualification. That is the academic and social. Means they are always attached with the social. Otherwise, they will not be the successful. If they want to think, if my qualification is the what? my qualification is enough, that thing is wrong. Qualification is not enough. Okay, student, if you are reading what regularly, punctuality, you are completing all type of the work. Okay, student, that is not enough. You have to relate with your colleagues. Okay, student, you have to mix, मिलजुल के काम करना ही पड़ेगा, नहीं तो क्या प्रॉब्लम होगा। सिर्फ पढ़ने से हो सकता है बाहर के बारे में, दुनिया के बारे में हो सकता है हम लोग को उतना जानकारी नहीं मिल पाएगा। Yes or no, student? तो student, entrepreneur, not only the academy is not enough. Okay, student, with you have to relate with the social. Always try to talk, mix what they need. Also, you try to fulfill also. Yes or no? And entrepreneur, you think entrepreneur means very big. Okay, not only the businessman, the organization, the industry, yes or no, the factory. These type of all are the entrepreneur. Okay, student, they are always attached with the social, and all the entrepreneur have the qualification. Okay, student, is that clear? Next one is the student, only money is required to be an entrepreneur. Yes, for the entrepreneur only money is required. Okay, without the money, the entrepreneur cannot be the person. They can be success, but if they want to the riches, they cannot. Okay, you take the example of the Mukesh Ambani. Now he is the top 3 richest person. Yes or no, student? Because of money. Means richest person. How do you say that Ambani is the now the richest, top 10 richest person? How can you say only the money? That means that person has the some billion monies are there. Yes or no, student? Under that person entrepreneur, so many people are working. Yes or no, student? Our managing director, school managing director also, under that person, so many people are also working. They are also successful entrepreneur. Yes or no, student? That person has the qualification also. Okay, that person has the money also. Okay, student, that means if the entrepreneur has no money, then how to manage any type of the business, any type of the organization, industry, factory, etc., etc. Okay, is that clear or not? So money is the must required to be entrepreneur. Okay, next one is one wants to be an entrepreneur, will become the boss. Here, one wants to be an entrepreneur means any of the industry, one of the owner must be there. Yes or no, student? That owner is the boss. If that entrepreneur wants to, under that person, how many people are working, they want to make one of the people as a boss. That is dependent on that entrepreneur. Yes or no, student? In our school, if the boss, main boss is our director, yes or no? यदि वो चाहेंगे उनको छोड़ के, क्योंकि कभी वो रहते हैं, कभी नहीं रहते हैं, हर बार स्कूल देख नहीं पाएंगे, जितना बड़ा बड़ा स्कूल देखना है तो सब में एक बॉस रहता है. Why? According to the direction of the boss, the rest of the employees will work. Yes or no, student? Otherwise, the employees will not work in a perfect way. They will do the work what they think, जो कि हानिकारक हो सकता है. Okay, student? So these are all the student with means काल्पनिक. हम लोग क्या सोच सकते हैं, एक इंटरप्रेनर के लिए क्या पाथ हो सकता है, क्या क्या चीज जरूरत हो सकता है, उसको सोच. That is our means about the entrepreneurship. Okay, student? The last one is just entrepreneurship as a career option. Okay, student? That means what? एक इंटरप्रेनर के लिए उसका कैरियर में क्या क्या हो सकता है, क्या पाथ हो सकता है, दैट टॉपिक. फर्स्ट वन इज क्रिएटिंग प्रोडक्ट सर्विस कंपनीज एसेट्रा. दिस इज अ वन path, one way for making the good career of the entrepreneur. Means creating a product by himself, create the product. They also will provide the service. If the entrepreneur only product but they will not provide any type of the service, that is not good. Yes, no student. If you will purchase a mobile and that mobile service center is not in near of your district, then why should you purchase of that product? If service is not good, a particular company, any type of the mobile company, then why should you purchase? Yes or no? तो you are thinking always that one. कोई भी चीज़ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम हो, कोई भी चीज़ खरीदने से पहले हम लोग सोचना पड़ता है कि उसका सर्विसिंग क्या है कि नहीं. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सर्विसिंग आर देयर, वो सर्विसिंग के बारे में पहले सोचना पड़ता है. यदि सर्विसिंग अच्छा है तभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, वही कंपनी का वही मॉडल का हम लोग खरीद लेंगे. यस और नो स्टूडेंट, यस और नो. तो इन द बिफोर स्टूडेंट इन द पास्ट 5 years or 7 years, Samsung mobile company was the very first mobile. Means say that time they are selling the that mobile in the first one. पहला था, पोजीशन उसका पहला था. क्यों? बिकॉज सर्विस इज सो गुड. हर जगह में उसका सर्विसिंग था. उस टाइम में इन दैट टाइम नो ओप्पो, नो रियलमी, नो ये सब इंटेक्स, व्हाट यू नो. बट नाउअडेज दैट कंपनी also provide the servicing. Nowadays that type of company position is higher as compared to the Samsung. Yes or no? My point of view is the student, what if the entrepreneur is creating the product, developing, also they should provide the service also. Okay, and company also, if the company, then they will produce. If the product, there must be the service. That's it. Then launching company, commercializing technology. They should launch a new company in between the years, or after some years, the entrepreneur always try to launch a new company, new technology for the commercializing. कौन सा टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करने से, कौन सा टेक्नोलॉजी को डेवलप करने से उसका फायदा हो सकता है, तो उसी तरह कंपनी नया कंपनी को लॉन्च करना चाहिए. इज दैट क्लियर और नॉट? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो स्टूडेंट दैट इज अ लॉन्चिंग कंपनी एंड कमर्शियलाइजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी. एंटरप्रेन्योर इफ दे विल थिंक आई हैव ऑलरेडी वन कंपनी, आई हैव income also, then why should I develop a new company? Yes or no? You have to launch a new company. If you only depend on only the single company, one day will come, they can reduce. Yes or no? Okay. Then next one, entering small business partnership. Entering small business or partnership with startup. That means student, when you are a new entrepreneur, that means जब कोई भी आदमी मार्केट में नया खड़ा हुआ है तो उसको पहले क्या करना चाहिए, अच्छा एंटरप्रेन्योर को देख के उसके साथ पार्टनरशिप करना चाहिए, जिसके पास अच्छा आइडिया हो, क्रिएटिविटी हो, डेवलपिंग पावर हो, नया टेक्नोलॉजी का आइडिया हो, उसके साथ क्या करना चाहिए, शुरू उसके साथ पार्टनरशिप करना चाहिए. ओके सर, दे ट्राई टू डू मेक द पार्टनरशिप विद द अदर्स, दोज पर्सन्स हैव द गुड आइडिया अबाउट द डेवलपिंग द टेक्नोलॉजी, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, न्यू क्रिएटिविटी आइडिया, न्यू सर्विसिंग आइडिया. ओके, दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंकिंग they have then it is the better for the entrepreneur or the partners. And also for the new entrepreneur, that means the new entrepreneur, they don't have any the sufficient money for what? The spending the money against the employee. Yes or no? So in that case, they should the what? Very small business will be developed. छोटा छोटा क्या करना है? छोटा छोटा बिजनेस करना है. छोटा बिजनेस से बड़ा ही आदमी ही होता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज द स्टूडेंट पार्ट. Working with traditional companies as support and service provider. The entrepreneur always try to do the work with traditional companies. Those companies has a good name. Okay, student. Those companies has the good name. Try to do work with that type of company for what purpose? Supporting and service providing. Yes or no? If my company, if I have developed one company and in my company only I develop, not what given or not provide the service, then what will happen? My company will be the lost. Yes or no, student? So that's why in that case, what will I think? I want to work with the other type of the company for which that company has provided the service, will provide the service. जो कंपनी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है, एक कंपनी सिर्फ क्या करता है? बनाता है, और एक कंपनी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है. जो बनाता है वो चाहेगा क्या? उसके साथ सर्विस वाले का आदमी के साथ मिलने के लिए. तभी क्या होगा? साथ साथ में बहुत अच्छा कंपनी का अच्छा राइज करेगा, अच्छा ग्रो करेगा. Yes or no, student? Is that clear or not? So student, in this way I have completed this one and this one. You read this one, pass this one, and also read from your book. If any doubt, you can ask me. The student, in this way I have completed this chapter. The next focus on our what? Exercise, then next chapter. That's it. Thank you.